So what I do on my free time, so I read a lot of things, like I read a book or a newspaper. Um, so am I in entertainment industry? Yes, I am. But my art form is very isolated.
Isolated? How?
I'm a single man act. I think of a joke sitting in a room in Palam Vihar, Gurgaon, upon experience that is basis my life or something that I've observed, something that I've seen. I think that is funny. I go to a stage or go to a venue, go on a stage, check my joke, see if it is funny or not, and expect people to laugh. How isolated is that? It's a very self-centered, very self-absorbed art form. I'm not dependent on anyone. And when people don't laugh, I'm like, gandhi audience.
Gandhi audience.
इनके दिमाग में नहीं आता, गधे हैं ये, like uneducated buffoons.
अच्छा, how does that work? Like when you are like working so hard, आप बहुत बढ़िया jokes मार, लेकिन audience डल है, फिर क्या करते हो आप?
Audience डल नहीं होता, आप गधे कॉमिक होते हो. There is never a bad audience.
100%.
110%. You're either a good comic or a bad comic.
Even if you like into a corporate show जहाँ पे थोड़ा सा वो guidelines वगैरह होती है, वो सब होता है.
हाँ, so ठीक है, that's fine. So
And
work
then
harder.
You work harder.
Work harder. You want everything to work towards you, then you say कि यार जिंदगी is very mean. I mean, it's like expecting Sachin Tendulkar to make centuries every time he played cricket, every match. It's
How
like,
do you read an audience
I
when you
don't.
enter?
So I work hard.
नहीं, but audience तो spontaneous होगी ना वहाँ पे, मतलब
हाँ,
आपको
तो
पता
you
नहीं है
go
show से
there.
पहले.
So I am not sitting in an isolated room. So when I come here, I had a conversation with you. I had a conversation with him. I had a conversation with him. So when I go to an audience, I check. For example, there are two types of shows: public and corporate or private. For corporate and private, I take a briefing. I have a set of questions I'll ask. Why are they doing a show? Who are they doing it for? Who are the people there? Male to female ratio, educational levels, demographics. And then I'll work and research on it. So I take a connection there. For public, the idea is that I start with my life and deprecating myself. So it is very easy for them to connect to it because it is not about them. And then I transition. So I try to focus on being funny rather than reading the audience.
Do you think being funny means कि यार आप edgy content बना रहे हो?
Not really.
Which is double meaning. या
Not
गालियाँ
really.
बहुत ज़्यादा है.
Not really. I don't think so. The biggest comic you have in India, Kapil Sharma, is not doing edgy. By and large.
First mover advantage.
Okay. तो
Current अगर आपके stand up में आप देख लो, जैसे for example समय is the biggest at this moment. And people love him. Like उनके show सबको अच्छे लगते हैं. But again then a lot of people also say यार गालियाँ बहुत देता है, double meaning बहुत होता है. तो वैसे.
हाँ, तो वो तो हर जगह रहेगा ना. Demand and supply हर जगह ना. Raju Srivastava was also a great act.
Yeah.
Sunil Pal is also there. People hate him. So there is a market, there is a demand and supply. So first movers, I don't think so. It's a first mover advantage. I think it's the first scandal advantage.
First scandal.
मतलब the bigger the scandal, the better you get at it.
अच्छा,
probably.
scandal.
ना scandal.
अच्छा.
So समय उससे पहले भी उतना ही funny था जितना scandal के बाद है.
हाँ.
तब तो आगे
It just doubled his
हाँ, which is fine. So
popularity.
तब आगे क्यों नहीं गाने गा रहे थे यहाँ पे? तब क्यों नहीं आ रहे थे ये प्रेस के न्यूज और ये आर्टिकल्स और ये प्रीच ये हमारा नेता कैसा हो, समय रैना जैसा हो? उससे पहले भी तो फनी था ना. Why aren't the press going about him then at that point? Why wouldn't they? Because it sells. Same goes with Veerdas when he did 2 India वाला. वीर उससे पहले भी फनी था ना. जरूरी है हम scandal because it sells. Scandal sells. So what do I think about edgy content? I can think whatever I want to. If there is an audience to consume it,
आप नहीं बनाना चाहते हो
I think I'm incapable to do that.
edgy content.
हाँ.
But why?
But why? Because नहीं है मेरे अंदर वो talent. नहीं है तो नहीं है. नहीं है बस. And I think better if I don't make edgy. I think just better that ways. Because I stay in a very guarded environment, like a wife, a cook, my mother. I don't hang out. It's not like there are 16 dudes staying at my house and माँ बहनी गालियाँ बक बक के हम कर रहे हैं. So then it becomes probably easier for you to get it. It just doesn't. And I'm an observational sort of a comic. So which means that I will only do whatever I have been through, observed, experienced, or lived through it. So it becomes easier. But what do I think of it? I don't think anything of it because as long as there is a demand for it, there will be supply for it. Do you watch porn? Answer is yes. You may not agree with it. You may think it's a commoditized market. You think it is an exploitation of men and women. Yes. But there is a demand, there is a supply. as long as you're running in a legal paradigm of doing anything that you want, it is all good. If it is illegal, then obviously, like, it's not that I like to murder people. Then you go start stabbing people. Like, अच्छा ये तो आप 6 murder करते, वाह बहुत अच्छी बात है, काफी edgy content है. नहीं.
हाँ,
So I don't think anything of it.
हाँ,
I just don't. So Samay was still funny. He was then funny. He's funny now. Name any other comic who कुणाल कामरा के भी बहुत fans हैं. हाँ, लेकिन there are enough people who go break a venue and are running after his life. सब कुछ हर तरीके का है ना. वो पॉलिटिकल है. वो तो एजी भी नहीं बनाता. वो एजी है
वो
आपके लिए.
बहुत ज्यादा एजी है.
एजी क्या होता है फिर?
हाँ, एजी मतलब कोई चीज जो ट्रिगर कर दे किसी चीज को, किसी
थैंक
thought
यू,
को.
थैंक यू. और क्या ट्रिगर नहीं करता?
क्या ट्रिगर नहीं करता?
हाँ, मुझे वो बता दो, मैं आपको एक बंदा दिखा दूं जो से ट्रिगर हो रहा है. हम भगवान के नाम से ट्रिगर हो जाते हैं.
हाँ,
हमारे यहाँ भगवान फेवरेट. हम एक दूसरे के भगवान को छोटा दिखाते हैं. हम एक दूसरे के धर्म को छोटा दिखाते हैं. हम एक दूसरे के खाने की चीजों को छोटा दिखाते हैं. वेज वाला नॉन वेज को छोटा दिखा रहा है, नॉन वेज वाला वेज को छोटा दिखाता है. सिगरेट वाला चरस वाले को छोटा दिखाता है, चरस वाला गांजे वाले को छोटा दिखाता है. शराब वाला ठर्रे वाले को छोटा दिखाता है, डाइट कोक वाला कोक वाले को छोटा दिखा रहा है. नेम अ पर्सन जो ट्रिगर नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पे. नेम, टेल मी, नो नेम, व्हाट इज वन थिंग? नेम अ थिंग.
एट दिस पॉइंट तो नो.
Exactly. So who gives a shit?